So Apple hasn't even shown us an official foldable iPhone yet, but somehow people are already printing it. Yeah, literally. Someone has uploaded a full 1:1 scale iPhone Fold mock-up online that you can download right now and 3D print to hold in your hand like it actually exists. And the crazy thing is, it doesn't just look like every other foldable out there. It's got some genuinely interesting ideas. Now, if this mock-up is anywhere close to what Apple is working on, the first big difference is the shape of the display. When you open it up, it's rumored to be rocking a 4:3 aspect ratio. That means, instead of a tall, skinny tablet like most foldables, this thing opens up into something wider, more comfortable, and way better for watching videos without those annoying black bars. For context, Samsung's Z Fold has a 10:9 inner screen, which is more square. But funny enough, Samsung is also rumored to be working on a wider fold, so clearly everyone's starting to realize this might be the better way to go. This particular model comes from a creator named Subsea, who claims it's based on leaked CAD designs of the iPhone Fold and uploaded it to MakerWorld. It doesn't show what's going on inside, so don't expect hinge mechanisms or internal layouts. It's more like a physical preview of the shape, size, and proportions of Apple's supposed foldable, something you can actually hold, flip, and get a feel for. But here's where things get a little awkward. Those leaked CAD files it's based on, yeah, they don't actually exist. McRumors pointed out that the designs were probably inspired by fan-made renders from a user named Isaac, who simply pieced together current rumors and turned them into visuals. So this isn't confirmation of anything, but rather a really convincing imagination backed by speculation. Still, the rumored specs sound interesting. The inside display is expected to be around 7.8 inches, while the outer screen could be about 5.5 inches. Slightly smaller than the roughly 8-inch main screen on Samsung's Z Fold 7, but Apple seems to be banking on something else entirely. Rumors suggest Apple is trying to build the world's first foldable with literally no crease. If they actually pull that off, that alone might make this thing stand out massively. And then there's the hinge. Apparently, Apple isn't just sticking with a regular hinge mechanism. Multiple reports suggest they're experimenting with a liquid metal hinge system, which sounds insanely futuristic, but also very Apple. If it works, durability and smoothness could be on another level. But it's not all perfect on paper. The iPhone Fold is rumored to come with only 2 rear cameras, which probably means no dedicated telephoto lens. Add to that an expected price of around $2,399, and yeah, that instantly makes it one of the most expensive mainstream phones ever. Even Apple fans might hesitate at that number. The current rumor points to a launch sometime around September 2026, alongside the iPhone 18 Pro lineup. So yeah, we've still got a long wait ahead before we find out whether all this hype pays off, or whether this 3D printed mock-up ends up being completely wrong. But now I want to hear from you. If Apple really drops a foldable that's wider, creaseless, super premium, but insanely expensive, would you actually buy it? Or is this just Apple arriving way too late to a party that Samsung already owns? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.